Good day. This is the Professopher, drwillphd, PhD. And today's Monday, December 19th, 2022. It is 4:28 and 30 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, bacteria. So let's come to it here. The scientific study examines bacteria living in and on mosquitoes. Date December 16th, 2022. Source, North Carolina State University. Avoiding mosquitoes to protect against bites is always a good idea, but a new study shows that the bacteria-ridden exteriors of mosquitoes may be another reason to arm yourself with hot water. The hypothesis is that mosquitoes can physically transfer bacteria by landing on you or by defecating on household surfaces, like flies do. Researchers found greater bacterial diversity internally than externally, which didn't match what has been found with blowflies, for example. At the same time, researchers found lots of external bacterial differences between homes, but not much difference internally between homes, which makes sense. Much of what is found internally relates to nectar or honey consumed as mosquitoes forage outdoors. The researchers also found, for the first time in the academic literature, fructobacillus, which is generally found at nectar sources like flowers and beehives, pointing to mosquitoes visiting those plants or nectar sources. As perhaps more ominously, the researchers also found large amounts of staphylococcus and two variants of Rickettsia, the genus of these bacteria, are associated with human and animal diseases. The mosquitoes carry bacteria externally and internally and come into your home, possibly transferring pathogenic bacteria. The researchers hope to continue the work by exposing mosquitoes to a bacteria that would never be found on human skin and seeing whether the bacteria transfers to an artificial membrane that then can perform the same test on human hearts. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.